Hey guys, good night everybody. Futures are super green. We have the US 30 almost up a half a percent. The US 500 basically back up at 450, 4,500. The US Tech 100 up 1/3 of a percent. The small cap, which is basically the Russell, up half a percent. The VIX is down and the DAX again is up. So everything is extremely green. Definitely not surprised after Jerome Powell talked that he basically said that QE is going to keep going for another year or so, and that they're not even thinking about tapering till possibly 2023, maybe even way later in 2023. So definitely not surprised that we have all futures in the green right now. So I would have to say that this definitely saved the S&P 500 from going down. I think that there might be a full-on reversal, even though I think that the month might close bearish. We might close bear for the month of September. I think it ends on Tuesday or something is the last trading day, but it doesn't even matter. I think after Jerome Powell talked, then he kind of talked to everybody about the tapering not happening till maybe super late 2023, at least mid 2023. You can essentially assume that all margin is going to go all the way back up. Everybody borrowing money is going to go back up. Interest and the interest and yields are going to stay down. So there's no reason for people not to borrow money and for the market not to keep going up. So futures super green. There's very obvious reasons as to why. JP is going to keep printing money and the market's going to keep going up. So this definitely has a lot of implications for crypto as well. But let's see what happens to the market this week, and then we'll see what happens in the following weeks. See you later, guys. Have a great day. Bye bye.